risk of infections or a lower ability to fight them may occur. Tell your doctor if you have an infection or symptoms, had a vaccine, or plan to. Thanks to Skyrizi, there's nothing
It's
like clearer skin and less joint pain.
very
And that
strange.
means everything.
I heard some
Ask your doctor
noise.
about how Skyrizi can help with your
Do you hear
skin
that?
and joint symptoms. Learn how AbbVie can help you save.
And she answered the question. It was early. I doubt she got a full night's sleep. And she's like, well, honey, something, something. I dozed off. I didn't get it.
But when I
And
threw
then
up
she said,
yesterday,
well, it goes really
2 days
fast.
ago,
And then it's got the arms out. Like, I wouldn't be good at that. Like, if I had a kid, I'm like, Daddy, how do airplanes go? I'm like, I don't know. We're in the back, so we
what's
don't
wrong?
need to know. That's for that guy up there to know. We paid $400. That's how it flies, sweetheart. Pay $400 and then it magically goes. I just feel like you're supposed to know stuff. I'm embarrassed how long it took me to find out that raisins are grapes.
It's because they always.
33. 33. That's when I. And not that I didn't. It's not that I was stupid. I just never thought of it. It never came up. And then one day I was like, someone had a picture. It was like online of raisins and grapes, and they were like, and I was like, whoa! Oh my God! I can't have kids. That is. I gotta at least live life 10 more years, learn some more stuff before I start raising something.
Yeah.
It's hard, man. I'm also
What's
not.
wrong,
I feel
baby?
like
What?
you have to be patient with the kid, and sometimes I try to be, but it depends on the hour of the day.
Okay.
Like Miso, our cat,
What's
she
wrong?
eats too much, so she throws up.
Who's
And
in
I
trouble?
woke up to her throwing
Cool.
up on our bed. Yeah. It was like at 5 or 6 a.m. early, and I was asleep, and I just heard.
Who else is in trouble?
And my first thought was, I thought it was Emma obnoxiously drinking water. That's what I thought it was. My first thought was, seriously? You're just gonna some water right now?
What?
I don't even know why I thought that. She doesn't drink like that. I've never heard my wife drink like that, but for some reason, oh, Emma, just gulping water. And then I opened my eyes, and there's Lisa going,
the prostitute.
And I just went, damn it, no! And I shoved her off. And I tried to get her before she yacked on the comforter, but it was too late. She had already yacked on the comforter, and so she left a trail that went to the carpet. And that's when I'm like, yeah, I'm not ready for kids. You can't do that to a kid. You can't wake up, have a baby go, can't do that. They frown on that from what I've seen in the documentaries. Not ready. I don't know.
Who's in trouble?
Maybe one day. I don't know if my wife's ready either. She loves the cats, but I don't think she thinks about them all the time. We had a fire it wasn't a fire at our apartment, but it was a fire somewhere on our street.